You know, success is a pattern, and content creation is a pattern, and we need to make that pattern. Superhero Academy and myself finally have a home. You know, it's been years that I've been operating as a digital nomad, going around the globe, working with a decentralized team, but I couldn't be more excited about actually having this space come together. Getting in these nice, beautiful pieces that I've always wanted, like a beautiful wood table. That live edge kind of piece is something that I've been thinking about for a very long time. Or my friend's art, like Germ D and Adam Millward. You know, there's so many different pieces that I want to bring to the table that make this place a home. You know what every videographer always is in good need of, specifically when it comes to spring? A variable ND filter. Let's be real. And one of the things that I'm incredibly excited about is that one of my favorite influencers and creators, Peter McKinnon, has showed up with a beautiful filter that can go onto this very lens, a 24-70 that I've owned for a few years. So what looked really good is that when you twist and turn it, it doesn't create like an X-like shape. It really kind of filters the entire thing at the same time. Number one, beautiful box, you know, nice case, of course, a nice little lens cover piece to it, and it changes. And so it's a 2 to 5 stop kind of variable ND. They also have like a darker version, but I took the lighter end of the spectrum for this piece over here.
You want to screw this puppy on?
Yeah, let's do it. Boom. Now, probably too dark. And then I also bought a defender for my lens. So rather than putting just this little piece or something like that, I actually bought one that you like clip on, because I find I always lose the lens caps, but something like this feels like I can't just like put it in a random pocket and forget about it, or just leave it on the ground. It feels like this is the kind of thing that will stay in my bag, which is super helpful. So beautiful stuff, Polar Pro, beautiful inspiration, Peter McKinnon, and I can't wait to go outside and use this. We had our first housewarming party, and that went really well. That felt really fun and exciting to show people the space, to kind of open it up and say, hey, we're gonna be doing 5 sets to invite people into the space, into the community to actually create and do all of those different pieces alongside. So we're still getting our bearings, you know, queuing up the shows that we're gonna create, queuing up the help videos that we wanna do, queuing up the vlogs like this one that are showing and documenting the journey for others to see just how possible this is. This space is a character in our creation.
Nice. How do you want to close this one out?
I almost like the idea that it just ends on what you just said. Meaning it's like a behind the scenes of like, yeah, enough about this, we have to get to work. Like, because that's exactly what we do have to do. You know what I mean? Like, you know, success is a pattern, and content creation is a pattern, and we need to make that pattern. We've spent so much time thinking about it, studying it, going on YouTube and all the things, and yeah, I'm done with this episode. See you in the next one.